It's helpful to utilize certain filters when you search for positions on USA Jobs. This video focuses on the options within the Hiring Path tab. Start by selecting the Hiring Paths tab and select the filter Open to the Public. You want to ensure the position is open to all qualified candidates. Additionally, it's important to select the filter Competitive Service to ensure you are finding positions that require an application and interview process to compete among other candidates for that position, rather than select positions in which one is directly appointed to the role. Lastly, it can be helpful to select the student or recent graduate filters to find internships and full-time employment geared towards new talent or early professionals. Regardless of age, you can select recent grad up to 2 years post-graduation for civilians and up to 6 years post-graduation for those serving in the military. For more details about the resources featured in this video, connect with a career advisor today. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Let's take your career aspirations to the next level. Reach out now and let's get started.